can choose the right one to nourish your garden. Organic fertilizer is the one and only. It creates a living soil rich in humus and nutrients. It's sacred to grow great fruits and vegetables. You can choose the right one to nourish the garden. Organic fertilizer is the one and only. It creates a living soil rich in humus and nutrients. The key to grow great fruits and vegetables. It contains many nutrients. Without it, they're hard to grow up. And in time of all us, we all see that it's all we need. Cause it brings us benefits. It enhances and nurtures soil. It releases nutrients, so the plants can last longer. It's cheaper than chemical. It's good for us to live in a healthy life. Organic farming, organic farming. Oh no, nandiyan na si Crush. Kumusta naman ang health ko? Buti na lang kumain ng gulay, cause I came prepared sa pagpasok sa school. Nanggaling ito sa organic farming, kaya sure akong healthy ito. Sa pagkain ng vegetables, makakaiwas tayo sa sakit. Sa pagkain ng vegetables, mapalinawin ang mga mata. Masarap ang gulay, masustansya ang gulay, malinamnam ang gulay. Yan ang effects ng organic farming. Kaya no chemicals and just what is right, just organic farming. Sa pagkain ng vegetables, pampaputis daw ng balat. Sa pagkain ng vegetables, pamalakas rin ang resistensya. Masarap ang gulay, masustansya ang gulay, malinamnam ang gulay. Yan ang effects ng organic farming.